Means all bikes come tailor-made, ex-factory to the clients. The RTP is worldwide the most used presidential escort motorcycle. At the moment, the combustion engines are still number one in the police duty.
Hello everyone, I'm Srishti Mehta from TECHx covering Intersec 2026. I'm here with Torsten Löhner, the sales specialist at BMW Motorrad. Could you please let us know about BMW Motorrad, what you do and your philosophy?
Yes, sure. Thank you for the invitation. BMW Motorrad has a history of more than 100 years. We are part of the BMW Group, which is the car side, Mini, Rolls-Royce and BMW Motorrad. And inside BMW Motorrad, we are a special product line, which is the authority line. We have civil motorcycles and we have authority motorcycles. And this is worldwide very unique compared to our competitors. BMW Motorrad is the only manufacturer worldwide with a special research and development department in Munich. And in our factory in Berlin, we have a separate production line for our authority motorcycles, which means all bikes come tailor-made, ex-factory to the clients, with all options, with the warranty, ready to use.
Wow, that's really impressive. Is there anything that you want the visitors to keep an eye out for in Intersec 2026?
Yeah, we developed the new R1300 RTP, which is an Escort and highway motorcycle. It has a long history. The RTP is worldwide the most used presidential escort motorcycle. It's used from Australia to the US. Our product portfolio goes from the 800 GS over the 900 GS, the R1300 RTP to the 1300 GS. This means we cover with our product line all authority duty needs worldwide, so which means for the inner city, outside, the highway and presidential escorts. And all bikes come exclusively ex-factory. This means compared to all the other manufacturers, our bikes are completely tested, driving stability test, developed in-house. We have a homologation paper and a certificate of conformity, which means absolutely tailor-made, and our options are developed to the needs of the authorities worldwide. And during these 100 years, our option range fits now to 99% to all needs which we have worldwide, also to the Middle East region.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm excited to know what holds in the future for BMW Motorrad.
For sure, for the future, we are looking also with one eye on the electric side. We have here a scooter, it's a CEO4, which is mostly based in the inner cities. At the moment, mostly in Europe, like in Spain, in Barcelona, for example. Barcelona is a green city. There are the bikes, but we must keep in mind that the police duty needs always also a long range. So at the moment, the combustion engines are still number one in the police duty. Yeah, but for sure, we have an eye also on the electric side.
That's amazing. We can always look up to you for setting the benchmark in the industry. So this is it for today. Thank you for joining. Stay updated on TECHx Media for more updates on technology and more innovations.